So, yung next problem natin dito, or next example natin sa age problem ay ito. The sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their ages now? So, dito hinahanapan po tayo ng age ni Kevin at ni Kim. Hindi po natin alam. So, gagamitin natin dito, Kevin is X. Of course, si Kim is Y. Tapos, sabi dito, we have the first statement na the sum of Kim and Kevin's age is 18. So, that is our first equation. X plus Y equals 18. So, let's have that as our equation 1. Okay, equation 1 natin yan. And then, sabi dito, in 3 years. So, in 3 years daw, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. So, in 3 years, so sa future, 3 years, so bale, lagay natin dito X plus 3. Okay, kasi in 3 years, X plus 3 at saka Y plus 3. Tapos, the second statement says, Kim will be as twice as old as Kevin. So, that will be our working equation. We have our equation 1 and we have here our equation 2. So, equation natin dito, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. So, that will be X plus 3, itong si Kevin, okay, equals Kim's age, Y plus 3. But sabi dito, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. So, multiply natin itong age ni Kevin ng 2. Okay? So, ngayon, multiply natin si Kevin ng 2 kasi para ma-equate po natin yung dalawang age ni Kevin at saka ni Kim. Okay? In the future. So, tawag dito, si-simplify. So, magiging 2x plus 6 equals y plus 3. Again, transpose natin sa kabila or gagamitin muna natin itong si equation 1. So, itong si equation 1, ayan, i-rearrange natin such that y will be in terms of x. Okay? So, ayan, tinranspose ko na siya. So, y is equal to 18 minus x. So, sa-substitute natin yan dyan. So, as you can see, na-substitute ko na siya, no? Ayan, so, change ko lang itong color ni 3 para mas ma-emphasize si 18 minus x. Ayan siya. So, ang gagawin natin dito, of course, ay si-simplify. So, magiging 2x plus 6. Itong sa kabila, magiging 21 minus x kasi 18 plus 3. So, ita-transfer natin itong may variable at walang variable to the other side. So, itong bali si 6, transfer natin dito. Itong si x, transfer natin dyan. So, ito na yung mukha niya. 2x plus x is equal to 21 minus 6. So, magiging 3x ito. At tapos ito magiging 15. Okay. So, i-rewrite ko muna siya dito sa kabila. So, that is now 3x is equal to 15. So, let's divide both sides by 3 para makuha natin yung age ni Kevin, which is 5 years old. So, yan po yung age ni Kevin sa present, 5 years old. So, kasi meron na tayong 5, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin dyan sa value ni, x, para makuha natin yung age ni Kim. So, that is 18 minus 5. So, bale, that's y is equal to 13. So, ang age ni Kim ay 13. Ang age ni Kevin ay 5 years old.